First, download this solution from the repository in the GitLab, which is this one. Download it. I already have it on my local machine, so I open it in the Visual Studio. Then open it and make sure the framework is x86 and it's in debug mode. Then build this solution. Click build, and we should be able to see that in bin this one debug. We should be able to see this the build result in the debug folder. And next step is open Inno open Inno setup, which is shown in the README here. Okay, let's search Inno setup and open it. Then we need to open the compile file from the repository, directory which have the repository of browser history viewer. Okay, so first we need to find the directories in here, this one, and the compile file should be under installer file folder. Okay, let's try to find it. Okay, it's already there. We will be using this one called script.iss. Open it, and one thing you need to make sure is the source must be the directory which contains the debug output. In my case, it's HDisk, as you can see in here. HDisk bin folder x86 and debug. So this is a directory I want to be compiled to a exe file. So just copy this directory to here, and don't forget the / and make sure you have the correct output directory set up. Okay, and before we do this, I just want to make sure inside this directory I don't have any existing thing. Okay, I have a lot existing, but it should be able to replace the old ones. So I assume this will be replaced by the latest build. Current time is 1:15. Okay, let's see. I will probably just delete this one. Okay, and click run. It will build the installer file. It's finished, and it's opened the installer file by default. So we also can check in here. See, this file is built in 1:15 AM. Okay, and the size looks fine because it's 4 megabytes. Okay, and after that, we should be able to test this service by install it. Click install, and it's very straightforward, and it will finish automatically. And before, it will stuck here for some time because it's running some script in the backend to enable the service and install the service. Let's wait. Finish. Cool. So when we open the service manager, we should be able to see our one education service running agent. Okay, it's running, and we should be able to see it in the login result in the theory log. Okay, let me check. Try to find it. Take some time to load. Okay, let's see. Okay, I just prepared the data to show. I'm afraid something goes wrong. Okay, let's see. So as we can see, it's sending the data from Chrome and IE, and it have a run delay to send the request, etc. Yeah, it's working. And then I will stop the service. Okay, the video ends in here. Maybe later I will make a video of how to compile into MSI installer, but I will end this one for now.